this is Karen Elaine here, and I'm here to show you the most recent origami paper just out from Yasutomo, and I happen to design it, so I'm really excited to be showing you this. It's called Kaleidoscope paper, and it's just designed to fold up and meet in every direction. Kind of when you're folding, it kind of feels like you're looking through a kaleidoscope. So it's really fun. It comes in 3 different packages, different patterns and colors, and I'm just excited to show you. And I want to show you, just the things you can make with it. You can make even just a normal swan looks really cool. This little rabbit. This is not painted. These are already printed this way. They're just lots of fun. See how they kind of open up and like it's a kaleidoscope of patterns. And they're just lots of fun to fold. And today I'm going to show you how to fold this really cool heart. It's really easy, and what's nice about it is you can actually make banners with it. You can feed ribbon through it and create a whole banner, party banner, or anything you want to make out of it. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start. So you take a 6-inch square kaleidoscope paper, or any paper if you wish, to make these hearts. You start by folding in half. And open it up, turn it, fold it in half again in the opposite direction. Open it up, and you can take the bottom edge, fold it to the center, crease, turn it over, and you'll see there's a line going up the middle. Fold the bottom edges towards that line, or to meet that line. Sometimes it's hard to see, so just make sure you can get the angle and see that where that line is actually going. Fold the 2 bottom edges to meet that line. And see how wonderful this paper lines up? And it also helps if you're not sure if you're folding something straight. This paper will actually let you know if you're not folding it straight, because then it won't line up, which I've done before. So now we've got this wonderful little, almost like a mask or something, this little face. It's kind of fun to see what happens. I'm going to turn it over, and I need to fold these edges to that center crease. Fold the other side. And now you see this is what I have. I'm just going to fold these corners from this point to that inner point on both sides. Do that on both sides. Now I have this nice little point here. And what I need to do is I'm going to fold this in half. From this point will meet this point. But what I don't want to do is I don't want to crease these little parts in here. And you'll see how I do this. I'm going to just take this point, take it and make it meet. And I can just hold with my thumb, hold it so that I know that's where it needs to be. And then I'm going to crease it, but I'm not going to crease this little top layer. I'm just going to crease the inside, and I'm going to take that top layer, and you'll see there's a folded crease. You just press down and fold it on top of that to line it up, and do that with the other side. Just take that top part and let it lay right. That crease just lays right over this crease, making it pretty simple. And I love these designs showing up on the paper. Makes the process even more fun. So what I'm going to do now is I take this point, and this actually is a pocket. I'm going to fold the pocket. Not fold the pocket. I'm going to insert the point into the pocket and just let it flatten. And if I wanted to do some ribbon or put some cording in, this is when I would do it. I'd just put it in here and then attach like this. Now to finish my heart, I have to fold these points towards that center. So I'm just going to do that and fold the other point to the center. Then I'm just going to fold these points inward right to that top edge and just crease everything well. fold it again. And actually, my heart is finished. Doesn't that look fun? I really love these papers. Have fun.